Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're well. In today's video I'm going to be swatching some nude lipsticks for you. I've got some lipsticks from NYX over here and I've got some from MAC Cosmetics as well. I'm also going to be swatching lipsticks from a MAC lip palette. Two of these lipsticks are really nice, and I've also got my own lip palette from well, these are basically all MAC Cosmetics lipsticks that I've depotted. I'm going to be swatching two from here, and I've also got with me Maybelline, and this one is a Super Stay matte ink, and it really does stay on for ages. It's waterproof as well. It comes off with oil-based remover. If you needed to take it off, you can use that. And I'm also going to be showing you this pinky nude from NYX lingerie, Onyx lingerie. All the lipsticks that I'm going to be swatching today are going to be worn with lip liner from MAC Cosmetics. This one's in the shade Chestnut, and I've also got one called Hover. So I'm going to be putting it down in the comments down below which lipsticks are going with which liners. I really hope you like this video, and please leave in the comments which lipsticks were your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe. hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. It'll mean so much to me. And I'll see you next time. Bye!